What up, guys? This is your boy Alpha Medtech, and as you know, I am a Term 4 medical student studying at St. George University. And as my university moved to an online system because of the pandemic, it was time for me to get comfortable and upgrade my desk setup. So today, we are going to talk about what is in my productive desk 2021. Let's get started. Everything that I will be talking about will be in the description down below. So if you're interested in any of these products, you can purchase it through the links. But before showing you guys my setup, let's show you what I had. I had this finger magnet tempered glass desk that even though it looked cool and when clean, it was hard to maintain clean. Also, it was impossible to attach a monitor mount to it since you can put pressure on the table since it's made of glass. In my old setup, I had a 27-inch 4K LG monitor and a lot of accessories on top of the table, which was very cluttered. For my new setup, I want to move to a more clean setup with a larger desk. So the first upgrade I made was getting a sit stand desk by Autonomous, the Smart Desk 2 Premium. They also have available the Smart Home Office Desk, which was cheaper, but with the Premium, I was able to get additional lower and higher settings, an extra 2-year warranty from the Home Office option. And since you don't buy a desk every day, I went with the better one. As a medical student, studying takes the most time of your day, so it was a must to get a desk that I'm able to stand up and keep working, so I don't have to put a lot of stress on my back. There has been many research that having the ability to stand up while working will maintain more your focus, reduce back pain, block clots, and maintain you more active in your learning, since by standing up, you are creating a whole new environment. With this desk, I am able to get as low as 26 inches and as high as 52 inches. And I have 4 different program settings that I basically just use 2 of them, and my wife uses the other 2. They also had available the tabletop, but their size was not what I was looking for. I wanted a wider desk than what they had available, so I went to IKEA and ordered the Carlby wooden kitchen countertop, which was the ideal size I was looking for. The countertop comes with a dimension of 74 inch by 42 by 1.5 inches. It was a little too wide for my needs, so I cut 6 inches and made it 74 by 36 inches instead. The assembly was pretty easy. Also underneath, I attached this USB-C hub where I can connect my SD and micro SD cards and flash drive with these. Other than the desk, I went ahead and upgraded my monitor to an ultra wide monitor from LG. I upgraded to a curved 38 inches 4K monitor with a serial number, if you're interested, is 38WN75C, which is basically almost 2 24-inch monitor, but without the bezel on the middle. And that allows me to have 3 apps at the same time and allows me to be a lot more productive. Also, it is so useful since I can have almost my entire timeline while video editing. For saving desk space, I got a dual monitor arm, and you may ask, Alpha, why do you need a dual monitor arm if you only have one ultra wide monitor? So one arm is used to attach the monitor, obviously, but the second arm I modify it, and I am able to touch my mirrorless camera and I have a perfect image while on my school video Zoom calls. I can adjust the height as well as even doing a top-down angle on my desk. Pretty cool, right? If you want to know how I did this, make sure to subscribe because that video is coming soon. Also, there is a giveaway going on, so make sure to see the video to stay informed. Since we're talking about Zoom calls, VGN was kind enough to send me these bicolor lights. This light is able to be used connected directly to the wall or using NPF Sony batteries, which everyone has. I am able to lower or raise the light as well as move it 360 degrees with their smart mounting system. It is very soft and I can actually look directly to it. It makes the perfect light for Zoom calls. For audio, I got a cheap microphone from Amazon with an arm to upgrade my audio and doesn't sound so bad in the meetings. For my speakers, I have the JBL Charge 4. And this speaker sound amazing and the bass is killer. For peripherals, I have this gaming wireless mechanical blue switches keyboard and it feels so good to type with it. If you don't like blue switches, fight me. It comes with different light modes and it uses 2.4 GHz signal, which is faster and more reliable than Bluetooth. For mouse, I am using the MX Master 3 from Logitech, and I cannot say enough about this mouse. It is super comfortable and this is the farther most productive product. I'm able to basically control all my shortcuts with this mouse along with such a time saver. I'm also used alongside the Magic Trackpad 2 from Apple. It is great for scrolling through pages or zooming in and out in different editing programs. They all sitting in this two mouse pad system. I'm able to move it in or out the way when I want to use my iPad. All these charging peripherals are charging with magnets, which makes it so much easier to charge them at night, depending which one is low. But they all last forever. For example, the mouse lasts more than 3 months. The keyboard lasts a week with the LEDs on, and the trackpad, it lasts almost a month. So I have plenty of charge before they run out. To stay productive, I added a charging station for my iPhone, so it's basically out of the way while studying. To stay productive, I added a charging station for my iPhone, so it's basically out of the way while I'm studying so it doesn't distract me. With this 3-in-1 charging station, I could charge my AirPods Pro and my Apple Watch all at the same time. Next to it, I have a ZZ plant to add life to the setup. I have this handmade wooden crab I got from the Dominican Republic where I am from, and it complements the wood nicely. For headphones, I am using the WH-1000X Mark III from Sony, and these are amazing to isolate sound and keep me at peace when I am studying. These headphones are hanging under my desk to keep it nice and neat. And speaking about under the desk, look at this cable management. Everything is so neat, and it was all thanks to this cable management tray, which I painted black to blend in more. I added smart LED lights behind the desk and monitor and even under the desk. And I can control the colors from my phone or Amazon Echo Dot. At the heart of the setup is my 15-inch late 2018 Macbook Pro in this stand. With 16 gigs of RAM, 6-core i7 and a 512 gig of SSD. For more storage, I added a 12TB hard drive from Seagate, where I can dump all my photos and videos to. And all of these I can control by plugging one single cable to my MacBook. So when I am done studying and it is my wife's turn, she can plug her MacBook and the entire desk becomes hers. And all that, it is thanks to this Thunderbolt 3 dock that I have everything plugged into. With this dock, I can add up to 3 monitors and everything is connected to it. Lastly, I have this gaming chair that is very comfortable, and it have a lumbar support and a neck rest, so I can stay comfortable throughout my study section. And with that, I concluded what is in my desk for 2021. Thanks to you all for sticking around throughout the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button since it helps my channel grow. If you didn't like the video, make sure you hit that like button twice. This is Alpha MedTech. Until next time.